Today we are discussing Morpheus Labs, a blockchain company which enables rapid prototyping in order to allow for the efficient and timely deployment of dApps, all the while reducing costs. I will be explaining just how Morpheus Labs achieves that and why Morpheus Labs is a project to keep an eye on after a quick thank you to the team over at Morpheus Labs for supporting the channel by sponsoring this video. Now, the key thing to understand about Morpheus Labs is its focus on BPaaS, which means Blockchain Platform as a Service, as well, of course, as their app marketplace, both of which aim to simplify and expedite dApp development and aims to give companies the flexibility to choose between available programming languages and blockchain runtimes in order to best suit their needs. So instead of having to go out and contract, bespoke blockchain development services, the companies could get blockchain working for them with a minimum amount of money spent. Projects like Morpheus will be able to open the field for a whole new range of ideas as companies can quickly hop on board the blockchain train, because Morpheus is essentially offering turnkey solutions with 25 plus ready-to-go stacks and a curated app library. The simplicity of such solutions means that companies do not need to go out and hire a bunch of blockchain experts in order to be able to take advantage of using blockchain technology. The need to make onboarding enterprise easy is essential to help create the future of the crypto economy, because companies, big and small, want in. But it needs to be easy. And when talking about bringing enterprises into the blockchain space, basic things like even identifying the right use cases for your company can be challenging. Morpheus Labs wants to help with even that, helping to find the right solution for companies so that they can have the maximum success from blockchain. Because any industry which requires a certain form of accounting or tracking or data input can of course greatly benefit from reduced need for manual work, strongly improved security, and a fully trustable information chain. But realizing what implementations of blockchain are going to be right for any given company is a great value add that Morpheus is bringing to the table. And the opportunity, if Morpheus Labs can get this right, is huge, as onboarding enterprise is an industry poised to grow to more than $3 trillion by 2030. They're also targeting the STO and ICO as a service niche, which, considering the impending capital flow into the STO market and the general hype around the STO industry overall, this could be a very large opportunity for Morpheus. And Morpheus stands out as the platform is already live and ready to use. You can come and use it today to build out your project. This is a working company. It's live today with real-world clients. It is also blockchain agnostic. Multiple chains are supported, and as part of the development process, it is actually really easy to switch from one blockchain to another blockchain in order to experiment with how that chain actually works and how it functions with your business. Morpheus is basically doing all of the heavy lifting, while the projects can focus on what actually matters most to them: the products and the clients. Morpheus is also leveraging crowdsourcing. That is, of course, getting the crowd to bring in ideas, tools, solutions, and advice, which will be generated through a community-driven approach. This will, of course, further save time and money for any companies which are using Morpheus Labs. A key focus is on providing enterprise-grade solutions. All the resources and support are made ready on the cloud, allowing enterprises to customize applications at any time and anywhere in a secure, reliable, and scalable environment, essentially making rapid prototyping and easy production deployment possible. As well, Morpheus supports 7 different coding languages to help meet developers where they are, not the other way around. All of this means that there can be up to 70% cost savings, which is massive, as well as considering the huge amount of time savings, as you will need to have fewer team members to bring your blockchain project to life. The partner and client list of Morpheus Labs is also very impressive. We have VeChain, Nulls, QuarkChain, NeuroChain, and NEM. You can also build on Ethereum, Hyperledger, and multi-chain. And these are legit partnerships too, with, for example, the CTO of VeChain saying, "We are glad that VeChain is adopting a progressive collaboration with a credible partner like Morpheus Labs to work alongside and to shape the blockchain landscape." That's pretty cool. Then we have Y3 Technologies. They are providing supply chain management solutions. We have Shure International, which is a telco company, as well as others like Sake Fintech and Veritag, and a long list of other partners. And Morpheus Labs has been recently endorsed and onboarded as a standard technology partner within the Amazon Web Services, or AWS, partner network. Now, in addition, Morpheus is incubated by the Singaporean government, and their clients include university and government entities. While there are many different companies out there which are all trying to work to bring in kind of similar services to what Morpheus Labs is doing, the partners and the backing really set Morpheus Labs apart as a company that really has the chance of capturing a significant amount of the blockchain business for enterprises moving forward. In 2019, we should see phases 3 and 4 of the roadmap being executed. Now, this will bring in the introduction of version 2.0, essentially allowing enterprises to host real process-driven and revenue-generating applications and bringing in interoperability between blockchains to, of course, allow for even greater flexibility. Now, what about the MITX token? Well, the MITX token will be used to pay for all subscription fees to the platform. But rather than force customers to purchase MITX on the open markets, Morpheus will be using treasury partners like liquidity providers and brokerages who will assist in the process of converting fiat payments into MITX tokens. So when paying for a subscription, users can choose to either pay in USD, Singapore dollars, both of which will then be converted into MITX, or they can pay directly in MITX tokens. The subscription model will help to provide a recurring revenue to the platform and is much more stable than just a project-based revenue setup. Furthermore, the token will give discounts for applications. It will be required as a listing fee for partners, as both a stake and a reward for the community nodes program, and a minimum stake will be required to get a seat at the product council. A farther piece of the tokenomics puzzle is the proof of alliance. Now, this is aimed at producing a sustainable token economy. It will include staking for developers to boost the visibility of their dApps on the platform. Platform users will be able to stake tokens as well to receive discounts on their monthly subscriptions. There will also be a staking system for distributors who aid in the growth of the platform. They will also be doing a coin burn this week. They just burnt 50 million tokens with a total of 45% of the tokens scheduled to be burnt over the next 48 months, bringing the total possible supply down to 550 million from 1 billion currently. The more companies using the platform and the more activities the platform has overall, the more valuable the MITX token should be. Adoption is key, though, for investors, but the tokenomics with MITX are strong overall. The demand for these kind of services from enterprises is real and it is growing all the time. The partners that Morpheus is working with are some of the biggest names in the cryptocurrency industry, and the token model is definitely compelling, all of which come together to make Morpheus Labs a project to keep an eye on. Thank you so much for watching today's video. As always, you guys are super awesome, and I appreciate the time you take out of your day to come over here and check out these videos. Please let me know what you think about Morpheus Labs down below in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up on it. You can always subscribe to the channel if you're new around here and click that notification bell down below to stay up to date when I put out a new video. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.